ridiculous. Hello.
Hey. So chill out before you die.
Hi. How are you feeling, mommy?
I don't think I've used any other lipstick like 4 times, 5.
With you and all the other shit in my life. This is so classic, Arnab. Verified Lip Oil's most loyal wearer is right here.
Beautiful skin. After many years.
Is that a practical idea or not? You will see all of my creative friends. The bottom is just a little bit loose for me, but I don't think you can tell. Hello, I feel like this phase of my life, like March, April, I've definitely been lesser active here on YouTube, which is a phase I've never had in the last 5-6 years of consistently being on YouTube, I have to admit. The only reason behind that is because I was working on this big project. If you guys follow my Instagram, you will see all of my creative friends were at the Plum Body Lovin' event a while back, and it took me 2.5-3 months to put that entire event together. In case you did not know, apart from being a creator, I'm also a consultant. Yes, I also run a beauty brand, but my consultant part of me, apart from creator, is really what's out there in focus in my life right now, and it's purely because I really enjoy it, and there seem to be a lot of things that are coming my way, and those opportunities I'm super grateful for, and they come to me because brands know me as a creator, I guess. So it's like an overlapping thing of sorts where I get to use the talents from one side on the other side, which is also kind of how Verified came about to begin with. Anyway, that's why I've been a little bit busy, super occupied, long project. Has the AC gone off? It's so hot. Bombay has been going through this insane heat wave, and it's been tough. Like, the AC has been on everywhere. The electricity bill from the last month has been insane. I'm sure you agree if you live in a hot city as well. Anywho, so I thought that I would get to chill for the next couple of days after this ginormous event that was a culmination of this 2.5-3 months of hard work. But I'm not complaining because I'm super grateful for everything in life. I have been through low periods where I didn't have work, or I have been through low periods where I needed to be away from work, but I'm here, I'm in action, I have the support, I have a baby that I also juggle things with, in case you're new to this channel and did not know. The point that I'm getting to is that even though that event was 2 days away, I don't get a break. Yesterday was a day at home, but I had a lot of work event wrap up things to do. We're also in the midst of, maybe by the time this vlog goes live, I can tell you we have a new podcast launching. I don't know, am I telling you early? Is it already live? I have no idea. If you don't know, then now you know. It's something I'm super excited about. I won't talk about it here. I will let the content on that side speak for itself. Anyhow, today is a really exciting event because we're going for the launch of a really cool luxury beauty brand in India. I'm not even going to talk about that yet. We'll talk about that from the event. I actually wanted to take you through a couple of my fittings. So I'm on the jury for this really prestigious set of awards called the ET Trendies, the Economic Time Trendies, and I'm on their jury, and I get to vote for some really cool social media based campaigns and, you know, stuff like that, which is day after tomorrow. No, it's tomorrow, and I forgot today is Thursday. Yeah, so it's tomorrow, and I actually have about 3 outfits to try, these 2 and there's 1 more on the side, and I need to figure which one I am going to be going ahead with. I want to make sure that my outfit is very girl boss, but I also want to make sure it's super comfortable. My bloat this period has been particularly obnoxious, and you might see, by the way, I don't know, can you see this? We have a little walking pad situation over here. It just got installed a few days ago, so I have walked on it for all of 3 minutes till today. Yes, the lowest hanging fruit as a new mom, schedule wise, was for me to be able to have this in my house. And I swear I thought God was telling me to chill, because the first treadmill I ordered a few months ago wasn't working. The second one I ordered wasn't delivered to me. It just went back to the brand, and I was like, is God telling me to chill? That was a pink one. It would have been really cool if it got delivered, but the Amazon update said it's not getting delivered. It just went back to the brand and I just got refunded. So I was like, is God asking me to relax? And then I went ahead and ordered this one, which seems to work as of right now, but I really need to put it to the test. Happy to link this for you down below, by the way, because ye filhal ke liye chal raha hai. I say filhal with a lot of care and a lot of fear, because I really want to be able to work out at home. times like when the sun is asleep, times like when the sun is asleep at night. Not that much in the day because like I'm working in the day obviously, but like I want to find my little pockets of even if it's 15 minutes at a time where I can just chadofy on this. A big project I'm giving myself. I said I would do try on, and then I'm going into catching up with you and all the other shit in my life. This is so classic, Anam. Anyway, the other big project that I'm telling myself I need to do before April ends, today for context is April 16th. It's my parents' wedding anniversary, by the way. The big project is that I want to turn this whole section here from the shelves into like a cupboard of its own. So it's going to be like a nice deep closet. I know I haven't given you like a different rooms part of house tour or proper house tour at all since moving here a year ago, but that's because everything is constantly a work in progress. This bathroom, for example, on 2 different occasions I have almost started work in renovating it. If I show it to you the way it looks right now, I don't like it. It's like very purane zamane ka. It's fully functional and fully utilitarian and all of that, but there's no style and aesthetic to it, and I want it to be my studio bathroom, you know what I mean? So this is a space that I'm telling myself, well, this I want to do by June, July, but that I want to do maybe by the end of the year, realistically. Also because that's going to take at least 2 weeks, and I'm thinking that it should happen in a 2-week window period when we're on holiday. Is that a practical idea or not? I don't know. I really don't know. But I need to clean the shit out of this space a whole lot because it is extremely cluttered. And I know I say this to you every month, but this time though it's gone to some otherly level. And I keep telling myself, एक पूरा दिन रखूंगी इस कमरे के लिए, एक पूरा दिन रखूंगी इस कमरे के लिए, but boss time ही नहीं मिलता है पूरा दिन रखने को इस कमरे के लिए because there's so many things for me to do in a day. That's the truth. Like I keep beating myself up about it, but it is the truth. So why am I beating myself up about it? It's like I constantly feel guilty when I'm with the baby. I'm like I should be working. When I'm working, I'm like I should be with the baby. When I'm resting, like today I gave myself 1 hour rest time in the afternoons, which is unheard of for me on a weekday. And I was like, while I was resting also, the phone was in my hand and I was replying to vendors and clients from like the event wrap-up stuff and all. And then I got up and I was like, oh, I rested for an hour. But the truth of the matter is I didn't rest for an hour. But I'm still feeling guilty for having laid down and working for that 1 hour. So my brain is a complicated place to be, and if you are anything like me, please tell me in the comments, because I would like to feel less alone, especially after the emotional state I have been in over the last couple of weeks. I'm 34 years old. I thought I was beyond people fucking me over, but emotionally, my god, I'm still there. Am I still like 22? No, I'm not. I'm 34. I'll be 35 in June 2026 on 17th of June. I'm a Gemini. But I know nothing about sun signs except for my own, just by the way. I don't even remember what sun sign my son is. He's 31st December. He's the one after Saggy. Is that Aquarius or Capricorn? I don't know. It's one of the two, I think. Or is it something completely different? My point is, apart from work being amazing right now, alhamdulillah, 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 my brain and emotions and personal relationships and friendships feel very in the garbage. And I keep telling myself not to have expectations, but I still do all the time because मैं हूँ. You heard me. You didn't hear me, but you heard me. I'm gonna stop doing time pass ta right now, and I'm gonna go into trying these outfits, and I will show you what I'm trying. And you can vote down below in the comments and tell me what you think I should wear. Although by the time this vlog goes live, fuck, I'm already gonna have decided. But you tell me your thoughts anyway, down below. I'm not gonna get naked on YouTube. One sec, a change in come. Okay, I'm in option number 1. I don't remember the designers' names, so please look at what I'm posting, like the text I'm putting on the screen right now. I remember seeing this piece and really liking it. So how we typically do sourcings is that I get lookbooks from various PR and brands. Sometimes my team will spot something on Instagram, or I will, and we'll reach out to the brand to figure who's handling the PR. I don't remember which is what, but this is really interesting. But the model that was wearing this was obviously much thinner. I feel like it would have looked nice if it was exactly like the image in the lookbook where this closes. I'll insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like. In terms of sizing, वैसे तो ये fit हो रहा है, but if I wear it the way it's supposed to ना, it's making me look a little bit bigger ना, like here, which I don't need. Like I'm naturally a little bit well endowed in that region, if you will. I like it. I'm wearing the Marks and no, not the Marks and Spencer. I'm wearing the Skims shorts shapewear inside. What I'm doing tomorrow is just going in for the voting. It's not the main event, so it could work for the voting. But like if I sit, I'm gonna look super punchy. See what I mean? Twing! I am super punchy. Do I need to look super punchy? Not really. One second, let me call Jerry. Jerry, are you here? Can you come here, please? I called Jerry, but Rafa is coming running. He's just woken up from a nap. I was calling your father, Kanna, not you. But sure, you can come help rate this outfit also. We have a junior outfit rater over here. Hi, Raja. Hi, Raja. Hi, come in, G. What do you think of this outfit? I'm doing a trial for the ET jury's voting session tomorrow. What do we think? Oh, I can't. Your cuteness I can't rate. Hi. Just take him and come and cute. Okay, don't go to Appa. Stay with me. But then how will he rate my outfit? What do you think? No?
I don't like it.
You don't like it at all? Like you don't like it on me?
I don't like it.
Or you don't like the outfit in general? Okay. I have the other options as well, but I feel like the other option is much more... Hey, be careful. Much more cash. I'll show you what this... I'm not mad at this, but it's not giving ET jury, no? Okay, I'm gonna try option 2. Mama, you like this one? Okay, this is option number 2. Yeah, I think same designer hai. I really like this outfit, but it's definitely not formal enough for the occasion. It's giving super chill casual, something I can wear for another event at another time maybe. I feel like, I mean, if the designer lets me hold on to it, I'll wear it for some other event for sure. Because it is nice, it fits me well. I still have the little shorts, high waist shapewear underneath from Skims. So, me likey, but not for this occasion. That's where this outfit is at. But I really like it. Like the material is really nice, will admit. नहीं, आप कैमरा को मत हाथ लगाओ. आप पीछे आ जाओ. पीछे आ जाओ. आप कैमरा को मत हाथ लगाओ. आप क्या करना है? What do you want to do? Hi. Say hi. Say heart. Heart? No, don't look at yourself on the screen and go touch it. Heart? Heart, Rafa, heart? Okay, hi. Bye, say bye. He just wants to be on camera, you guys. He's literally mera bachcha. Okay, then I have option number 3. This is a... Are you playing football without the ball, my love? This is option number 3. This is from Rana Gill. It is a beautiful suit. I want to wear it and try it on. My only concern is it shouldn't look... Will it look too formal for tomorrow? Let's try it on and see. I was thinking this is for like the main event, which is at the end of the month. But if this works for this, then देखेंगे. Because कल के लिए हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है. By the way, this outfit over here, the white one, which has the pink bathrobe on it for some reason, is the outfit I'm wearing today, which is a beautiful white wrap dress I bought online. I'll tag it on this video or link it for you or whatever. Take a look at that. Wait, I'll talk about that later actually. Hold on, I'll try this and come. Okay, this is really nice. This is really nice, right? I have to wear something inside. I can't directly wear this because this neck is very low. But it is fitting me on the suit, like on the top, the jacket really well. The bottom is just a little bit loose for me, but I don't think you can tell. Oh, okay, don't touch. You can see, you can wave, you can say hi, but don't touch. Okay, so I feel like this will work for tomorrow, given that I go ahead and wear something inside. Like I said, I don't know if you heard me through his cuteness. The pant is a little bit loose. You know what I'm gonna do? Since Rana Gill, this is the designer Rana Gill's, by the way. Since their new store is here in Bandra itself, I'm gonna go ahead and check if they have one size down. This is an XL, so I'm gonna check if they have an L. If they have an L, that might be better for me. And if not, then I can wear this as a last resort. And I think I should keep this for tomorrow. Hey, come back again. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. That's Mama's very expensive camera. Come on. Come here. Come here. Hi. Say heart. Rafa, heart. 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 Tell them heart. 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 Raja, Mama needs to get ready. Mama needs to get ready. Rafa, say heart. Heart. The reason he says heart is because this beautiful heart necklace and pendant that Jerry bought me from Tiffany & Co in New York in 2023 from that trip of ours on my birthday morning. Every time he looks at it and he starts playing with it, I tell him it's Rafa's heart that that Appa gifted Mama way before he was born. My love, what do you want? You want lip oil? Every time I wear a lip balm or whatever, he needs some as well. Every time I do something with a brush on my face, he needs something as well. So the verified lip oil's most loyal wearer is right here. Yes, we have sold out. No, I don't know when we are restocking. Unfortunately, I do not have a timeline for a lot of things in life right now. Verify is one of them. Okay, can I get ready? Because Mama's on the clock, baby boo. What's the time? It's 5:02 p.m. and I need to be out of the house by 5:30 is the hope that I want to get out of the house. Yeah. May I please get ready real quick? My skin needs to look flawless today because I'm going for a skincare event. I mean, my skin should look hopefully flawless as much as possible. But today in particular, naturally, because I'm going for a skincare event. Love, leave that one. Take this one. Come on. इसको बॉल कुछ दिखाना ना वरना ये मेरे को तैयार नहीं होने देगा. यहाँ पे ले आजा चलेगा ये पीछे खेलेगा ना. I'm okay with that. हाँ वरना he doesn't let me get ready. He doesn't let me do anything. And like I said, I am on the clock and he was napping when I came into this room. Otherwise, the second I walk into this room, he runs in with me. I have a lot to get done. I also have 3-4 calls I've lined up for when I'm driving to the event. Hi. 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 Mama looks like a monkey to you half the time. Ball! Ball! Go! Play with your ball. Go play with ball. You can be next to Mama in this room. So I'm gonna get ready and catch you in a bit. My camera is throwing up some weird setting issue when I'm trying to get a time lapse. So I couldn't get a time lapse of me getting ready with Raphael pretty much doing masti at the back. He's with my mom outside now. My mom comes down every evening to have chai with my mother-in-law since they've been staying here. For context, I think I mentioned this in the previous vlog or in one of my shorts. Yes, I mentioned it in the shorts I posted today. My mom-in-law had a small surgery and she's doing fine. She's totally chill, alhamdulillah. She's been staying here since the surgery, obviously her and my father-in-law. And now we have Namo here who's all ready and glam. And that day when she came glam, you have to hear this because we laughed about this for so long. She came fully glam. Which event did you come home fully glam?
We had gone to town only for some event.
Some event we were going for and she came without chashma and she was wearing these grey lenses, okay? And Rafa refused to recognize her. He's looking at her and he goes... And she's
he came like this and then he went around my chair and he came like this. This went on for 3-4 times and I started laughing. I'm like, Rafa.
She's like, it's Nama. But and I think he knew but he didn't. He was like, why is Nama looking different today? Because like on non-shoot days, we both look like we look in the house. We're super, like she comes in pajamas and kurtas and nobody gives a shit in this house. Like even I sit like that. Anyway, glam now. I'm fully ready. I just hadn't changed because the outfit I want to wear is white and I didn't want to get it dirty because my baby boy was all over me. It's 10 to 6. Yeah. You are late. This girl is never on time. I feel like I need to perpetually start lying to her about time from now on because इसके रगों में है ही नहीं कि ये कभी वक्त पे आएगी. So I need to change and then we need to just leave ना directly और कुछ करना नहीं. I tried these clothes by the way. I'll brief her and BRB. What's up? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. It is the next day. Yesterday we drove back home. Rafa was already being put to sleep because he was super tired. And I was so exhausted because, like I said, this week's exhaustion overall has been absolutely insane. Oh god, I'm so annoyed at myself. Wait, I forgot to get a fresh new Step Zero from the warehouse. I'm so... Alhamdulillah, excuse me. Stupid. That's what I am. I'm so stupid. Now I need to use something else. I finished my Step Zero and I forgot to have a new one called for from the warehouse. I literally, anything I apply on my face, great, expensive, luxury, amazing products, but nothing lasts and makes my makeup look and skin look as nice as when I apply Step Zero. Like, it just doesn't sweat out at all given the Bombay heat, and it still makes my skin look so hydrated. The other day at the Plum event, I had to go ahead, I ordered it brand new, the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second spray, and the only reason I did this is because if you saw that particular shorts video of mine, you know I mentioned that the Kylie setting spray left white dots all over my face. I was so flabbergasted that happened because it had happened once before and I thought that it wouldn't happen again if I shake it more rigorously. But I did, and it still happened, and I think that spray is about to get thrown in the bin anyway, to be honest, because like I really like the matte finish it gives, but obviously not at the cost of white spots all over my face. That's ridiculous. And thankfully it didn't happen during an event or whatever. It just happened when I was meeting family friends. I came back up, I cleaned up the spots with like my finger, and then I didn't realize they were on my clothes as well. I realized that when I was in the car, but I couldn't do anything about it. So ab theek hai, like thankfully काम के event के time पे नहीं हुआ. Thank God, thank God, thank God. However, the L'Oreal spray lasted so beautifully. So after I finished my makeup on the Plum event, or the Body Lovin' event, I should say, I put a little thin coat of my airbrush powder, and then I set the whole thing down with this spray because I did not want to touch, feel any sweat, any movement. I knew I wouldn't have the time for touch-ups. Hosting events like general guest listing is one thing, but when you're in charge of the entire event, production, engagements, vendors, it's a whole other beast. I need to order a new razor. Okay, I have literally just too little hair. Me realizing while doing this that I actually have some 15 new razors kept in one of the drawers. So I'll just open that out and keep for next time. It is exactly 10:43 a.m. and I want to get out of the house by about 11:30. We need to be in BKC by 12, so I think half an hour is more than enough. Also 12 to 1 is just kind of meeting people and having lunch and stuff like that. So it's not a hard and fast 12. Even if I get there by 12:15, 12:30, I should be fine. 1 p.m. is where like the first thing starts. What are we doing? Let me tell you in a sec. I want to fully glam so I don't waste any precious moments of an actual buffer time. Otherwise it's like, oh, I'm chilling till it comes to a point of rushing. No, I'm not that person. Gonna get ready and give you a total debrief on where we are going. By the way, this outfit, the brand could not go ahead and exchange in time the size, so I'm wearing something else of my own, which I'm actually really excited about because I was waiting for an opportunity to wear this number. Look at me yapping while saying I won't waste precious time. Hello. We are on our way to Trident in BKC. When I say we, I mean there's Namra on cam. Hi, Nam.
Hi.
Can they see your hand this time?
Yeah.
So we are on our way to the Economic Times Trendies Jury Get Together, which is basically the session where the jury, aka I'm on the jury, aka I'm on the jury, like basically I'm on the jury, gets together to whoa, cheesy giri. All right, okay, we're gonna drive with Bhagwati in my lap. Gets to vote for various categories of social media, I think creators, social media campaigns, stuff like that. It's obviously extremely prestigious to be invited to be on any jury, but specifically speaking the Economic Times jury, because the Trendies is something that the advertising world really knows about. Even before I knew about it properly as a creator, I've heard Jerry talk about it over the years, so I'm familiar with, you know, kind of how prestigious it is overall. Mridul and Adi are going to be there as well. She just called me sometime back, and I know that all three of us are on the jury, so very excited to be spending the afternoon with everyone. Glad to have them as company. I know I haven't shown you like a proper outfit picture because I told you I would, but we had to rush out of the house really quickly, and I wanted to make sure that I got out. Hanji, aap ulte raaste mein aa jaiye. I mean, people just go on the wrong side of the road on an almost highway. Anyway, so this is where we're headed to, and I will try, and I think we should be allowed to vlog now, a little bit over there.
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully. So we'll try and figure what we can share not in real time because it's vlog edit time period, but like we will try and get as much on ground footage as we can. I'm excited to be doing this. I have been on a couple of juries before. It's been a little while. I think the last couple of years I've definitely taken slow from like 2024, 2025, 2026. I'm back, baby. So let's fucking go. Yeah.
Definitely, like, please get it back.
Yeah, I'm writing number.
Please get it. And I think I made that spam person. I think I DM'd you. So please get it back.
We're trying. I swear we're trying.
I don't think I've used any other lipstick like 4 times, 5 times.
Oh wow,
So I know.
thank you.
And I'm a very picky. And I started learning makeup because of a couple of people. You being one of them.
Thank you. So nice to hear that.
So yeah. So newbie makeup person. But
You look great, so not so new.
thank you. I'll take it as a compliment. But lovely, great work that you guys do. I mean, with the stuff that you collaborate with brands, also as entrepreneurs. From a creator lens, you guys are doing some fun stuff. Which is why I was being a little selective this time. So we also got a few other people from different cities. But I wanted to try and get entrepreneur-led creators this time. And this is the first time we're bringing in creators to a jury.
Hey guys, Namra here. So Anam has gone in for the discussion with other jury members, evaluation, and we are done with lunch. Now let's wait for her, and then we can go on to the other event. See ya. Bye bye.
So what really impressed you about the training? When did you Google yourself last and why?
I don't Google myself. Answers.
Yeah, go.
Hello. So we spent the last 4 hours together.
More than that.
Going through all the categories, casting our votes. In a lot of cases, I think 3 of us were consistently on the same page.
Yes.
Yeah. But it was
For the most
interesting. Yeah, very interesting. Time to get going. Thank you. Okay, so the POA is that we're getting out of BKC right now. We're making a pit stop really quickly, 10 minutes at the A6 event that's happening at Linking Road, which is fairly close to my house. And from there, we're gonna go home. Namo is calling it a day, calling it a week. It's been a tiring, exhausting week. So she's gonna go home. Mridul and Adi wanna come over, and we're gonna have some chai, gup, chill, play with Rafa sesh at home. This week has been, I think you should vlog yourself also. This week has been tiring, and everyone has done well and held up as much as they can, and now I just want to crash. Like tonight, it's not my night, it's Jerry's night. I literally want to have a neend ki goli and sleep. That's all I'm thinking of. Who am I? I was never like neend ki crazy.
And probably get a massage over the weekend.
Over the weekend. That's a great idea. That's a great idea, Namra. Let's go. I am back home and we have little monkey here. There was a change in plan. There was so much traffic. So much traffic. Surely, Mila Bacha. I've changed, as you can see. Even Mridul and Adil ended up going home only instead of coming here because unko wahan se it was showing. Hi. It was showing easier for them to go home from there shorter. Hello. Rafa, hello. Look, he's pretending to dial. Rafa, hello. Hella, no, not there, Hella. Hella is over here. Ada, can you see it? You see? Ada? Mommy, Daddy, you all haven't said hi in many vlogs. Hi. Hi. How are you feeling, Mommy? And
Come and talk.
come and talk. Tata is saying come and talk. Hey, it's ringing. My mother is calling. Give me the phone. I can see. You say hala. Say hala. Yeah, la. The baby has been put to sleep. I am going up to Mama's house. There was food downstairs, but tonight Mama made, I think she said she had made kung pao chicken. So that's what we're going to have. Hey, Maishu, tell them what you want them to do. What do you want them to do on YouTube? Wow, she's pretending to be nonchalant. Huh? Subscribe to your channel. Subscribe to your channel. Why? What do you post? Ronaldo edits, and you love Ronaldo so much. You have to pause your iPad to tell them. किसकी आवाज़ सुनाई देगी उन्हें? Tell them what you want them to do. Say please subscribe.
Subscribe on YouTube.
Subscribe or I'll eat you. धमकी दे रही है. धमकी मत दे बेटा. Please बोल.
No.
What is this? You can't give dhamki or I'll eat you. How will you go into the screen and eat them?
I'll find the location.
You'll find
The location.
and you'll go eat them. Okay, now say please nicely. So they'll go subscribe to you. Okay? Thank you. Say thank you. How many subscribers are you on today? 260. 230.
Only 260.
264. Okay, hopefully we'll get more after this. I can smell what's happening here. I can smell it. Sana is like shit, the paps are here. The paps are here. You're going to change all your bartan because of those comments. We got comments in the middle.
Oh my god.
ये वही पैन है जिसमें comments आए थे saying we need to change the pan.
Anam Sachi mein.
हम सच्ची
In
में
my
मतलब.
life, I have always been so careful, and imagine getting comments like that.
But now it's okay. You didn't realize because you don't cook often, Mom. It's okay, guys. Please console her in the comments. She's got some comments about how she needs to change the dishes. I also got downstairs, by the way. And then you also got. But it's okay, man. We don't cook that often. Keep an eye on these things. It's all good, my friend. Wow, Mom. That smells good. Hi, hello. I have not picked up the camera all day today. It is a Saturday, and what's happening today? Well, not what's happening, what has happened today, because it's literally 6:20 p.m. You can see the little golden hour of magic happening on my skin. Is that I just got a very nice leg massage. I got a lot of work done today, so there's still things wrapping up from the event that I hosted earlier in the week for Plum Body Lovin', like lots of vendor payments, invoices to be tallied, TDS deductions that have been made need to be transferred to the CA, the accountant. We're all coordinating. There are one or two other logistical things that are in place. So basically, because so many things are happening, it's not like exciting, sexy tasks that I can like film. Like shooting behind the scenes always looks cool, but sitting on the laptop all day long does not look cool after a point. In case you did not notice, the time lapse issue was coming up on my camera, which is why it was getting randomly cut off repeatedly yesterday while I was having dinner at Mama's. That's thankfully now been fixed. It was some setting thing that had gotten changed somehow. Oh my god, I have to try this dress. I've been ordering a lot of clothes in general over the past couple of months, in case you haven't noticed, and it's paying off because a lot of people are saying they really like the way I've been dressing, so I appreciate that. Thank you. A lot of my clothes are always tag linked, all that kind of stuff. The dress I'm wearing right now is from Beyond Tara, and this is also from a haul I did at some point last year. Check out my all hauls. Why did I do all hauls? All hauls playlist on the channel. I feel like that might be interesting, informational, links, helpful, entertaining, if nothing else. Anyway, something exciting is happening today. Jerry's new phone is on its way home. No, we did not want to go to the store. We wanted to call for it at home. So he's getting a little tech upgrade, which we'll talk about in some time or other. I'll let him talk about in some time. His current phone has become a bichara halat type because like uska camera nahi chal raha hai. He's dropped the phone so many times. It's fully cracked, that kind of stuff. But they're like kind of they're buying his phone back, and we're getting a very good deal. So he was like, okay, it's time to upgrade. He's been on the 15 Pro. He's moving to the 17. That's basically what's happening. I told you I would let him tell you, and then I just told you. What an idiot am I? Level 100. That's what. Where's Rafa right now? Rafa has gone down for a walk with his grandfather. My in-laws are here. Woo! My in-laws are here staying with us. So there's a lot of like grandparent hands-on help from both sides, which I love so much. It takes a village to raise a child, and it's very important to use that village and take the help that the village is willing to provide. Very important. Like in the afternoon, I was on like calls back to back about all of this money invoices, this, that, blah, blah, blah. And my sister-in-law was going to drop Romaisa to her art class, and she was like, oh, should I take Rafa? Now, mind you, Rafa wants to go out with everybody. When I say everybody, I mean even when the courier uncle leaves every day when he comes to drop something, he feels bad. He cries. He wants to go with him also. So I was like, yes, Sana, please take him. Intercom baj raha hai. Let me figure a few things out. We'll catch up in a few seconds. Saturday night plans are that I'm dealing with a baby that doesn't want to go to sleep. I'm dealing with a big baby that doesn't want to have dinner, and I'm dealing with a super big baby who's playing on his new phone and also is not sitting for dinner. This one though in particular doesn't want to go to sleep only these days. I don't know what's happening over here. Sleep regression also is not it exactly, because we went through a couple of phases of those. This is just, oh, I want to fall asleep, but then I want to wake up and play, and then after 30 minutes he's going to get, don't do that. He's going to get super cranky, and then finally he will sleep. Romaisa thinks the solution to my problems is to let her eat him, and I might just let her at this point. Thanks for thanks for watching. I love you. Make sure to subscribe before you go. And yeah, thanks. Love you. Mwah. I'm always reading, liking, hearting, and responding to all of you. So keep your comments there. The secret code for this video should be...
You should chill out before you die.
You should chill out before you die. That's the secret code to the video. That's the secret code to the video. You should chill out before you die.